Hello and welcome back to another Get Up Garage video. It is Slugsy. She looks pretty much unrecognisable from the last time that we saw her. That's because, well, she is. Oh, Slugsy, what happened to you? And that is a great question. What happened to Slugsy? Let me explain.
Slugsy is one of the rarest trucks on the road at the moment. She's one of three, one of two in existence and the only one in the country. We bought her to help me start my logistics company, and after doing a few jobs with her, soon realised that she was riddled with problems. Problems we weren't too sure on how we were going to solve. The truck has made a number of appearances on the channel, and her maiden voyage was Truckfest Lincoln last year. You know, the one that was famous for the amount of rain and mud. Well, this plucky girl survived and got us not only there, but also home. And since then has become a fan favourite among you guys. A lorry that's been neglected and beaten its whole life. We feel like it's our turn to try and do something with this truck. To try and make her the lorry we all know underneath she can be.
Friendly neighbourhood slug here was bought as part of CWD Logistics' fleet of vehicles. We were going to take Slugsy out to work and do a couple of jobs with her. And we did. But, unfortunately, she had a fair share of problems, and after we took her to Truckfest last year, almost a year ago to the date of this filming, it's pretty adamant to see that she's definitely not fit for the road. So we've also got her back from the mechanics where she's been from the last year, and what do we do with her? As you guys can see, we've changed some of the panels on the front of her, basically to try and get her looking a bit better, because a lot of the other panels were scratched or not scratched, they were damaged or broken. So we bought them off of Donor Cab all the way over there, and now they are on Sluggers. So everything like is here. Mechanically, this lorry's never been worse. This lorry is basically unusable. And when I say unusable, I mean the thing just doesn't start. It doesn't work. Nothing on this truck works. So, I mean, like, you can even see that's the level of battery power we've got. It fires. There's water leaking everywhere. It fires up when it wants to. It decides when the lights work and when the lights don't work. The dashboard is in, well, a state. The whole truck is a state. It looks like things have been living in here. It basically looks like Donor Cab in here. I can't believe I just sat on that seat. Actually, that's kind of gross. Oh, and I've just put my hands on that. I don't even know what that is. We could just let this lorry die, but I don't think anyone on this channel wants to watch this lorry die. And what we're going to be doing with this truck, I believe, will be revealed later on in this video, because Neil Yates Recovery, big man ting, is at the moment's notice has gone and got for this truck. He's going to drop it down, so we need to move this out of the way so we can then see at the end of this video what we're going to do with this truck. And then also me and Ollie are going to start stripping it out, because why not? Jokes, innit? When Ollie comes over, I'm going to start taking these seats out, because Nipsky, thank you Nipsky, give us some seats for it. Nipsky also has given us a brand new dash for her. So all of those switches and things which don't work since like 1995, that one works. That one kind of works. That one definitely just doesn't work. Half of these don't work. The night heater doesn't work. Steering column's a bit broken. I think I could go on and on and on about this truck, but we need to get it running because it needs to go out the way, because what's happening to this truck needs to go like there. So yeah, should we go get the keys and see if it will start? My money's on no. Boy has acquired the keys. Swear to God, this lorry is just not going to start. I just know it's not going to start. In the comments below, do we think Slugsy's going to start? But I can tell you from the battery power of the door straight away, this truck is not going to start. I can't believe it. Oh my God, what are the stains? Why are there stains? Maybe sitting on another driver's... No, actually, we can't say that. Keys are turned. It doesn't even look like the gauges have... Oh, yeah. She's dead, all right. Oh, no, the gauges do work, look. Slightly. The phone works, though. So that's good. Where's the phone? Look, there you go. You can see the phone works. Oh, that's good. So that's running off its battery. It's probably that phone, actually, that's draining it. It must be. Because the tacho's off. So... Oh, look, interior lights are still on. Question is, if we go get a boost pack... Oh! She hasn't got battery cover, by the way, either. So, if we go and get a boost pack and chuck it on the terminals, will she start? Okay. Terminals are on. Oh, I think we should just leave Slugsy to charge for a bit. Look who's here. What a smart rig. Still have no idea if Slugsy's actually going to start or not.
One side works.
Just keep going, drive, you'll be all right. Look what Slugsy's got coming. Yes. Potentially, we are putting a plant body on the back of Slugsy so she can go to work as a plant lorry. Maybe, potentially. That'd be nice. So hopefully that'll do. But I've got to go and see if she starts because the driver needs to move that body on the grass and Slugsy's blocking the grass. I'm begging you, lorry, please start. Good girl! Slugsy! Button. No dramas. A little bit of charge. She's good to go. Right, let's get this battery off so we can get the driver in. Well, little slug, do you drive? Auto. Handbrake off. Does she move or are the brakes seized? Black smoking drive. Let's try and see if we can get some air in there. Not sure at all. God, it feels weird being back in this truck. Very weird. It needs a good clean, like a good lot of TLC. And me and Ollie are going to start on that. I've spoke to Ollie today, so he's like, I'll be down there, drive, don't worry. So the Upton boy will come and give us a hand. She moves! She moves! Slugsy moves! It wasn't seized, it moves! Oh God. And here comes hired driver Woody. Loads of room there, drive. She's all good. He's in. He's only gone and put it in. Look at this bad boy. I would just like to say a huge thank you to Woody and to Neil Yates for delivering this body for us at a moment's notice. And when I say a moment's notice, I mean a moment's notice. They didn't charge us an awful lot of money to do it. And Woody's a top bloke, great driver. It's a great service from Neil Yates. So thank you very much, Neil, for your very wonderful service and doing us a turning, getting Slugsy's new body home. We'll have a look at that in a minute. In the daff. Yeah, that body's definitely seen better days, I won't lie. Boom. Legs are out. He's craning it. Look at that. Houston, we have liftoff. Here's that. Easy and as simple as that. She's going down now, drive. Leanne Yatesy on their way. Thank you very much for the classy service. You don't even start the amount of money and time and effort and energy we have to spend with you. Slugsy. The problem child, this one. Give us some Slugsy pie! Right! Dirty Ghost loves it! Bring it back! Bring it back! Bring it back! That's right. Look at me. Yeah. Say what? Say nothing. What are you saying, fam? Why are we buying plant bodies for a curtain side truck? Let me explain. Dad, grab man of grabbing, basically decided just one day he wanted to buy a plant body. We might not use this for Slugsy. Basically, we were like, we could convert Slugsy into a plant lorry, so then I can do a bit of driving for Dad on the Grab, a bit of like driving for the Renault, a bit of plant work as well if need be. But then we also said that we could potentially keep Slugsy as a curtain. So we've got a curtain lorry, curtain Renault, Grab lorry, and then Transit, which will be done. Potentially build a brand new truck, something like a 620 V8 plant body. How gangster would that be? We would basically make the mobile boogie bus, show lorry slash work lorry. We'd have to sell my V8, and at the minute I don't really want to sell my V8. You guys think? So Dad has no idea about what condition this body's in, and I think we'll have a walk around and we'll have a look with him, and when Ollie comes as well, we'll show Ollie, and Ollie will be like, what have you bought here, Jace? What have you bought? But yeah, we'll wait till Dad comes home and then we'll have a look and see.
He's really good, mate.
Yeah, he's really. The boys have arrived and we're going to have a look at this trailer. Now, Dad hasn't seen this yet, so hopefully it's not too bad, even though there's some crispy bits on it.
It won't fucking work properly.
So this trailer was brought to you by James Fewing's Rocks and Parts and Machinery Freight Forwarding Services. What do you think of it?
You know what we need now, don't you? We need to put a little eye on the back of it as well. Be even cushionier.
We're making this.
No, it's all right.
We'll build it in the yard, little series. It'll be fine.
In the workshop.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
My workshop.
So she's a bit surface rusted. Have you seen the bits under the chassis?
Where?
It's either here or under there somewhere. It's a bit rotten underneath.
I've got a super winch.
Ollie under there. To the left, fella. Up there.
Oh, and that cross member.
Yeah. She wants a bit of welding in there, son.
Cross member wants changing.
Yeah. Yeah. That's seen better days, innit? You reckon that'll weld, yeah?
Yeah, that'll come back.
I'll tidy. She's just a bit crusty, mate.
Waffle boards.
Is that what they're called? Waffle boards?
That's
Because they
what
look
we-
like waffles.
Well, we used to use them for Friday, and that's what we call them. Waffle boards.
Fair enough. Oh, hello. We have a phone call. Hello, mate. You all right? Right. Alex said you want couch moving. No. No worries. When do you want it done for? I can do it now if you need. Hey, mate. Right. I'll catch you in a bit. No worries, Ben. Take care, mate. Bye. We just got ourselves a haulage job, boys.
It'll come back.
It will come back. So you're thinking about putting this on Slugsy, aren't you?
Yes.
No, I think we should put it on your lorry and then stretch your lorry.
What, you think we should stretch Legacy?
Yes.
Or we should put tag, single axle tag.
Or twin tag it.
Twin tag Legacy with the body on this?
Body on it.
Oh,
One
God.
of the-
Oh, no. I can feel a Get Up Garage project coming on. Look, he's thinking about it. He's really considering that.
This down to here.
Oh, no, he's really thinking about it. I think you've just doomed my lorry, James.
I think that's
You've doomed it to the knife. Let me know in the comments below, do you think we should put this body on the back of Legacy and twin tag Legacy? Ollie, do you fancy earning 20 quid?
Right?
20 quid, 20 quid.
20 quid, 20 quid. We have got Dad and the boys, and we're going to show them all the gear that we've bought, and we might try and see if we can fit some of it up. Let's have a look. These are our stackies, our stacky boys. Yes. Yes.
Seats.
Oh yes, Slugsy seats for when we start the Slugsy build.
Slugsy.
It's going to be classy. It's going to be
New
classy.
cushions for the bunk.
Original headlights for Slugsy.
Yeah, proper 4 series headlights up there to go in.
Proper.
And I want to get it fed up with these.
Look, James, so much cool stuff. He's hands out your pants.
You won't want that. Well, you can put that up the back of the car, but take that panel out there and have a V8.
Yeah.
LED lit up V8 in the middle, because you won't have your Susans, will you, if it's so rigid?
Yeah, then everyone will know you've got a V8.
That'd look cool, actually, wouldn't it, in the back of the cab?
I think you should flat back the back of Legacy. Just put a flat back on it. Proper Dutch style. That'll look classy. But yeah, so there's loads of cool stuff in here. Yes, we have many parts. Stay tuned, because me, Ollie, James and all the rest of the team are going to start working on these lorries and getting them all done. Some of the first thing we're going to do is Slugsy, and then we're going to finish Legacy off, and then something might be happening to Legacy. Oh God. We never stop the grind here at CWD Logistics. Even though I'm in Geared Up Garage Tyre and we're filming a Geared Up Garage video, when a moment's notice job comes through, last minute, even if it's a 50 quid job, helping out someone, we're going to get it on, we're going to get it done. It just so happens we're taking Ollie with us as well, so let's do a little move! Me and your boy. We've arrived at the place. We've got a couch to do, boys. It's a couch. I've got to reverse down this little alleyway, so don't hit it, Jace. So we loaded the couch. It's a pristine white cream couch. I don't know why I didn't think about, like, thankfully we had bubble wrap on board, so we're able to do it with that.
Those jumpers were sacrificed.
But we've pulled up at the job and the guy's like, yes, flat 21. I'm like, oh, okay. And it is we're his first delivery. This is his first new venture, so we're supporting new businesses. 2 flights of stairs, and it'll only be a curbside drop, and here we are. But Ben, we are very thrilled to help you with your first move. How would you rate CWD Logistics? 10 out of 10. Oh, 10 out of 10, there we go. That's it. Ollie took his jumper off, that's how much he cared. And there we go. We are all delivered. Ollie and Ben have gone off to sort it out. I was just finishing parking the van up. Nice little delivery last minute on a Sunday. Well earned our 20 quid's worth of pint in the pub. So. You rate that move, Ol?
Good.
Just good. just good.
She's like, yeah, it's a good squatting one.
Oh my gosh. I won't tell you who he was just impersonating.